Hi, this is Bill Brooks, Boulder, Colorado. How you doing? Hey, I wanted to give you the installment plan information so that if you or someone you know needs to set up an installment plan with the IRS, that you have some information to go by. You can now on irs.gov set up an online payment agreement. Now, it has to be for an amount under $50,000 that you would owe for individual taxes. For business taxes, we're talking payroll taxes, and also for corporate taxes, $25,000 is the amount that you have to be under. Keep in mind that you would do this at irs.gov /individuals /payment plans -installment agreements. Now, there's a new 6-year rule that went into effect in 2012. What this does is it basically means that if you can pay the debt off in under 6 years, and you do that successfully, that would be interest and penalty as well, then you can continue to make minimum payments on student loans, credit cards, etc. Again, as long as you pay this balance off within 6 years. Now, there's collection financial standards that the IRS uses to determine how much you can pay a month. And the financial test is one in which they basically consider your necessary expenses. And necessary expenses would be things such as food, housekeeping, apparel and services, personal care, and miscellaneous. I looked up the figure in my area in Boulder, Colorado, and I found $583 for an individual, and that amount would be $1,092 for a couple. The transportation amount for one car is $290, and of course for 2 cars, $580. Housing a single person in Boulder, $1,821, and a couple would be $2,139. So for a single person, that would be $2,694. For a married couple, let's say, $3,811. So the significance of those two numbers is that if in fact your income is equal to or less than those amounts, then fundamentally you're uncollectible, and you can get uncollectible status with the IRS. You might have to go through Taxpayer Advocate Service, which you can find on the irs.gov site. Now, if you're unhappy with a determination that the IRS makes as to what the monthly amount is, you can appeal it. There's a collection due process hearing that you can apply for, and that will suspend collection until a notice of a determination has been made. Also, keep in mind that you can, if you're an innocent spouse, apply and suspend collection and apply for that relief if in fact you qualify. Fundamentally, the form that you file with the IRS to apply for a installment plan is Form 9465. It's quite a simple form. You just need to include your bank address, bank name, of course, a phone number, day of time of day, shall we say, they can call you, the day of the month that you will have the check to them, the monthly amount that you intend to pay, and if you want to do an auto debit withdrawal, you can do that. You'll need to furnish them your routing number and account number. By the way, the auto draft method fundamentally can possibly release a federal tax lien, which may be important to you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me, 303-447-1626.